All right, we're at the Preserve in here in Estero, Florida with Kathy and JP. JP, do you want to introduce yourself real quick?
My name's JP Anchetta with AEGC Lawn Care.
And I've known JP for close to 10 years. Kids play baseball together. And we have Kathy. Kathy, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Kathy Schneiderman, a fond of Vic and a fond of Elm Dirt. It's made a remarkable difference in all of my plants, indoors and outdoors, including my orchids. And I'm kind of tired of seeing these signs that kind of have done nothing, and I'm now using Elm Dirt in all of my beds and love it.
And now today we treated your lawn. No more chemicals in your lawn, no more synthetics. We have JP here who basically used our turf application, 100% organic. Why do you think organics are important?
I have children and grandchildren, and everything we put in the ground is going into our water supply, and we need to stop doing that.
Agreed. This is all the Everglades, so we have to find a way to kind of coexist with nature, right?
Please.
All right. Kathy, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for a great product.